Hi everybody, it's Michael here, and today I'm going to show you my vintage Apple Macintosh SE computer. And this computer was made in 1987, so it's 21 years old. It has a megabyte of RAM and two 800K floppy disk drives. Unfortunately, this is not the model with the hard disk drive. It would have been better, but I have some floppy disk programs, and I'm going to show you, I have a few, but I can't show you all because due to YouTube's 10-minute video limit, but I'm going to show you two that I like a lot. So I received this computer for free along with the Macintosh 2CI, which I also received for free. So if you're interested in seeing the 2CI, it's on another video, so check out my channel. You'll see it there. And here is the Apple Macintosh SE. And here is, that's the Apple Macintosh SE. And today I'm going to run your Apple tour of the Macintosh SE and MacDraw. So let's get started by turning on this old machine. I haven't turned it on in a while, so hopefully it works fine. Here we go. Alright, and it booted up okay. Screen came up. It's asking for a floppy disk. And it says Radius Accelerator. That must be the graphics card or whatever. Version 1.8. Copyright 1987 Radius Incorporated. So let's insert your Apple tour of the Macintosh SE. Coming in for a further look. Welcome to your Apple tour of the Macintosh SE. And this tour teaches you very, very basic things because this is when the graphic user interface, or the GUI, wasn't around very long. So it's going to teach us to use a mouse, to point, to click, and to drag. So really, really basic stuff it's going to teach us here, which I already know how to do, but here we go. So we're just going to go through this tour real quick. We don't want to take too long. So we're going to point. And also, it's just going through the tour here. I'm just waiting for it. It's teaching us to point again. Wow, this is really hard. Okay. This is challenging. Not really. Anyway, keep going. Click. That's really simple. Just going to skip through that. Keep going here. Now it's going to teach us how to drag. So we're going to drag the word drag onto the board there. Here we go. And here we go. Out to the main menu here. And in this main menu, you'll see how to use this tour, finding your way around, getting down to work, managing your work, added attractions, and let's quit. So let's go to finding your way around. And it shows us some pretty basic stuff. The desktop right here. So you go through here, go through here. There's your trash can, there's your work disk, there's your hard disk, and then the desk is the backdrop. So that's pretty neat. So we're just going to go to the main menu here, And now we're going to quit. You really want to quit? Yes. Okay, and now we're going to start the MacDraw disk. Okay, as you can see here, I'm going to go in for a closer look. So we're going to click on the floppy disk, and here's a sample business card I made with MacDraw. I click on it right now. It takes a while to load up MacDraw. Both floppy disk drives read and eject disks smoothly and properly. It's just this is an old computer. It's not going to function like a Mac Pro or anything like that. But you know, for what it is, it's not that bad, being 21 years old and all. So here we go. Alright, and there's the sample business card I made about a computer repair card, and it shows a little iMac G4 right there, so you can draw a bunch of stuff with this program. Now I'm going to quit out of here. And now we're going to go into MacDraw. Alright, and with MacDraw you can draw all kinds of crazy stuff. You can draw straight lines, or you can draw sideways lines, or you can draw squares. Any kind of shape you can think of, really, you can draw it. Circle, or this weird little, like a half dome almost, or a squiggly line. I'm not trying to draw anything in particular, because if I was, I'd be the worst artist in the world. And you can draw all kinds of stuff with MacDraw. And you can even insert text. Watch this. I'm going to edit, clear. And you can basically just draw all kinds of things. And now we're going to exit out of here. Oh, but before you do, you can also insert text. Like, say, here we go, and then insert some text right now. This is the Apple Macintosh SE. See? Period. And, or you can say, it was designed by Apple Computer Incorporated, Cupertino, California. And going in for a closer look, this is the Apple Macintosh SE. It was designed by Apple Computer Incorporated, Cupertino, California. And now we're just going to quit out of here. So it gives you a basic idea of what MacDraw can do. Do you want to save changes before closing? No. And now we're going to shut down. Now we're going to shut it down. And that was me using the Apple Macintosh SE. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.